When you finish your node setup, clearly you don't want all these nodes floating around. You have to pack them away. Fortunately, Neos provides a convenient method to do this. We'll use this setup as our example. Of course, we need an inspector, and what I typically do is create a new empty object with the name of LogiX container, or something similar to indicate that this is where I'm going to put all of my nodes. If you hover your laser over this LogiX container, hold the grab button, and then open your controller menu, you'll notice an option here called Set Packing Route. When you select this option, the packing route will be displayed on your tooltip. You can now point your laser at your LogiX nodes, hold the secondary action button, then release. At the time of this video, know that you may need to do this on a few nodes to get your project fully packed. When that's done, your LogiX components end up within the object that you set as the packing route. If you ever need to get these nodes back though, just grab the LogiX container and select this option in the controller menu. This is something that'll be improved over time, but right now you may need to reorganize your nodes after making them visible again. For more complex setups, I recommend saving your unpacked project into a temporary world if you intend to do modifications later.